In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open in full screen in Monday.com. If you want a cleaner, less distracting view while working, opening a board in full screen can make a big difference. It gives you more room to focus on your tasks, updates, and columns without as much clutter on the screen. The good news is that this is very quick to do once you know where to look. To get started, log into Monday.com and go to your workspace. From there, click on any board you want to view. This can be a project board, a task board, or release in board where you want a larger working area. Once you open the board, wait a moment for everything to fully load so all the options are visible and easy to access. After you're inside the board, look for the three-dot menu. This is the small menu icon that usually contains more viewing and layout options. Go ahead and click on that three-dot icon to open the drop-down menu. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the top area of the board, since menu placement can vary slightly depending on your layout or screen size. When the menu opens, look through the available options until you find Open in Full Screen. Once you see it, click on it. Right away, your board will expand into a full screen view, giving you a more spacious and focused layout to work with. This view is especially helpful if you're presenting information during a meeting, reviewing a board with a team, or simply trying to reduce distractions while working. It can also make navigation feel easier when you're dealing with lots of groups, columns, or updates on a busy board. If you ever want to exit full screen mode later, you can usually move your cursor to reveal the top controls again, or use the standard exit full screen option in your browser or app window, depending on how Monday.com is displaying it. And that's all there is to it. Just open any board, click the three-dot menu, and choose Open in Full Screen. It's a simple feature, but it can really improve your workspace and make it easier to stay focused on what matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.